Welcome back to HobTech Cars. Today I'm doing a quick video on how to change the battery on your Toyota RAV4. It's a very wet, windy, stormy day here today, so I'll try and keep this one as quick as possible. First thing I want to do is open the bonnet. There we go. Put up my bonnet latch. Here's my beautiful RAV4 engine, 2-litre diesel. This fella here has to come off. Normally there are plastic clips in here, in here, in here, up the top up there, and here. Thankfully, I've had to jump this so much, I just leave it sitting in there. It's actually totally fine to leave sitting in there. So that's number one, just pop that to the side. This is the battery. We're going to undo the negative clamp here first. It's a 10mm bolt, and same over here to undo the positive side. Lift it out and pop in my new battery. What do we got here? 10mm, lovely. Just undoing the negative battery terminal port here. Always go loosen the negative port first. I'm not really sure why. It's just one of those things that everyone advises you always do. There's lots of beeping. Car alarm might go off, that's all right. Same now on the positive port here. Also, one thing you learn as a mechanic, be careful doing this because you're going to bridge the negative port of the battery to the positive, and it can be quite scary. You can get a mild shock off it. It's just a nasty surprise. I've done it a few times when I'm rushing. A little bit more. It's actually very loose so that I can just do that by hand, which is great. So, there she comes. Sometimes a bit of gentle persuasion. Right, good idea to always take a photo of how these Toyota battery clamps are set up, because they can be an absolute pain in the arse to get right after the fact. If I had my sockets with me, that'd be handy, but don't have those with me here today. They're back in my main workshop. So it's a yellow storm alert today here in sunny southeast of Ireland. So that's kind of a entry-level storm, shall we say. So when loosening these guys, it's like a hook on the bottom, so I'm just going to take this nut off altogether, and you'll see what I do. I just maneuver it out. Perfecto. Maneuver it out. We're left with this. Hooks to the bottom of the battery tray, and then nut, don't lose that. I'm just going to put them on top here, and I will see if I can leave the other side intact and just lift out the battery. I think the battery clamp has been on so tight it actually has seized the handle of the battery into the car. There's a nice flathead. Getting very stormy here. It's kind of a little bit of race against time. This car has been overdue a battery change for a few years. I've gotten a good battery today, so that's what I'll be swapping in. I should be able to just maneuver that out. I'm going to put our hook back on. Just tightening up the battery clamp here by hand. And watching that rear side. Now, just got to tighten them up here with my 10mm ratchet. It's getting stormy here, guys. We are in. That's hooked in under. And I want to do them up as tight as I can before the slates come off the bloody roof. I kind of feel like a bit like Bob Ross, the famous painter, talking through my work as I do it. That's tightening up very nicely now. It's very secure, nice and safe. Lovely. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Now, the easy bit. Let's put those battery clamps on. Always positive terminal first. Again, I'm not really sure why. It's just kind of one of those things that we mechanics do. Get in over there. Yeah. Now, lovely, lovely snug fit. So this battery is an improvement on the other one that I had, as it only had 60 amp hours for the starter, as this one has 72. So for a big 2-litre lump of diesel like this, on cold mornings in a country like Ireland, You'd want the original spec battery with the 72 amperes. So tighten them up nice and tight. We do not want that to go anywhere. It doesn't need to be reefed onto it. Always make it easy to take off in case you ever need to, or a mechanic, or vice versa. Better angle there. Take this guy off. Throw him away. Now, spring into life, my car. I'm just going to press the ignition. That's beeping noise is good. Lights on the dash, so happy out. Okay. Put them straight like this. Now, perfecto. She'll be riding around the mountain when she comes. She'll be riding. It's very hard to film and do the work at the same time. All right, zip tie done. So we're all back in business. RAV4 is ticking over. Nice job done. Thanks a million for watching today. I hope you found it useful. Please do like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.